Welcome to our Latttice How-To guide. In this video demonstration, you will be walked through creating an unstructured data product with FGA rules. Starting on the pinboard, select Create Unstructured Data Product. On the Create Unstructured Data Product page, the first step is to define your unstructured data product. Begin by giving it a name. Then in the description input bar, describe the purpose and content of your unstructured data product. Then select your data source. Then select Continue. Step 2 is Latttice Copilot-powered content analysis. In the Analysis Query input bar, using natural language, enter a query that defines the data you wish to contain within your data product, or use a suggestion. Then select Analyze. Once your query has finished being analyzed, an example of the content of your unstructured data product will be displayed for your review. If satisfied, select Continue and move to Step 3, Transform, where you can add rules and transformations to your data product. In this example, FGA rules will be added by selecting FGA rules in the navigation bar. Firstly, select the user, then department and team, and finally the terms and phrases using a comma to separate them. Then select Add FGA Rule, and the rule will be applied and displayed in the Content FGA Rules input bar. You can select Content Preview, and the data will load with the rule applied for you to review. This will take a short while. Once you review and are satisfied with the results, you may decide you need to apply a second FGA rule. So once again, select FGA Rules in the navigation bar. You select the user, department, team, and terms and phrases, separated again by commas, to apply a new FGA rule. Then select Add FGA Rule, and the new rule will also be added. You can select Content Preview and review the data with the extra rule now applied. Once the data loads with the rule applied, and you review it and are satisfied with the results, you can then select Continue and move on to Step 4, the final step in creating your unstructured data product. Step 4 is where you can select to preview the content of your unstructured data product, which will load to the Content Preview pane for you to review. Step 4 is also where you can review the summary structure of your unstructured data product. The name, description, and data source type and ownership details will pre-fill. You can make alterations, but if there's no need, then you can add tags. All of these summary details make your unstructured data product discoverable. To finalize Step 4, select to publish data product, and your unstructured data product will automatically be published to the pinboard. The publishing time will vary depending on how complicated your unstructured data product is. While the publishing process takes place, you will be kept informed that it is underway. Once completed, your data product will appear on the pinboard, where it can be discovered, used, and shared.